How to create an invoice in the AR module in Carmen. This video is how to go through the process of creating an invoice in the AR module of Carmen. This ensures that receivables are recorded accurately for seamless financial tracking. Let's get started. Accessing the Invoice menu. Start by going to the Account Receivable menu. Next, select Invoice to open the Invoice Creation screen. Creating a new invoice. Find the Add button at the top right corner and click it to start creating a new invoice. The system will automatically generate the document number. Entering invoice details. Select the debtor code from the list. If needed, change the currency to match the transaction. Set the invoice date, which determines when the invoice is issued. Enter a description to provide details about the invoice. To add details, click on the option to create a new entry. Specify the department responsible for the revenue. Add additional details in the comment field, such as room charge for one night. Enter any relevant reference information, such as reservation or booking details. Specify the check-in date or stay period if applicable. Configuring accounting entries. The system will automatically populate the default accounting entries, but you can modify them if necessary. Enter the debit account code for the debtor account. Enter the credit account code for the revenue account. Applying tax settings. Input the amount to be invoiced. Tax information will be pre-filled based on the system's settings. Define the tax calculation type and tax percentage. Specify the tax credit account code for output tax or suspense output tax. If the tax amount needs to be adjusted, check the overwrite box and manually enter the correct amount. Finalizing the invoice. Review all details to ensure accuracy. If additional details need to be added, follow the same process. Click Save to record the invoice. Once everything is correct, click OK to finalize the invoice creation. And that's it! Now you know how to create an invoice in the AR module of Carmen, making it easy to track and manage receivables efficiently. Try it out and keep your invoicing process smooth. How to create an invoice by copying from an existing invoice in Carmen. Hey there! If you frequently issue invoices for the same revenue, you don't have to start from scratch every time. Instead, you can quickly copy an existing invoice and modify the details as needed. Let me show you how. Accessing the Invoice menu. Start by going to the Account Receivable menu. Next, select Invoice to open the Invoice Management screen. Copying an existing invoice. Locate the invoice you want to copy and click on the eye icon to view its details. Click the Copy button to duplicate the invoice. Modifying invoice details. Now update the necessary fields. Modify the invoice date to reflect the new billing period. Update the description to match the new transaction. If you need to edit specific details, click on the pencil icon to make changes. Adjust fields such as the date, comment, and amount as needed. Once updated, click OK to save the changes. You can use the pencil icon again to edit other sections if required. Finalizing the invoice. Review all the details to ensure accuracy. Click Save to store the invoice. Finally, click OK to confirm and complete the process. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly create an invoice by copying from an existing one in Carmen. This saves time and ensures consistency in your billing. Give it a try and make invoicing easier than ever.